everyone, I am Vedan and I am back with the new quiz. Hope you had fun in my previous quiz on Earth and Universe. And today's topic is plants. The pattern is same there. Will be a question and options. I'll read questions and options and wait for some time. If you need more time, you can pause the video and think for the correct option. And don't forget to write your score. So let's begin. Plants give us food grains. What are the examples of such grains? Option A, wheat and rice. Option B, maize and barley. Option C, gram and pulses. Option D, all of these. The answer is option D, all of these. Food grains are small dry seeds which are grown by human beings for food. Example, wheat, rice, maize, barley, gram and pulses. We get gum from the dash tree. Option A, acacia. Option B, oak. Option B, bamboo. Option D, jasmine. The answer is option A, acacia. Gum is made from the juice of acacia tree. The stem pulp of the plant shown here is used to make option A, rubber. Option B, gum. Option C, paper. Option D, oil. The answer is option C, paper. The plant shown here is bamboo plant. The pulp of its stem is used to make paper. What is the characteristic of the plant whose product is shown below? Option A, the plant is small with woody stem. Option B, the plant is small with soft stem. Option C, the plant has weak stem and it grows along the ground. Option D, the plant has weak stem and needs support to grow upright. The answer is option C. The plant has weak stem and it grows along the ground. How is a young plant different from an adult plant? Option A, the adult plant has roots but the young plant does not. Option B, the adult plant has a stem but the young plant does not. Option C, the adult plant has flowers but the young plant does not. Option D, the adult plant does not need air but the young plant does. The answer is option C. The adult plant has flowers but the young plant does not. A plant starts its life from a seed as seeding. The seeding develops leaves and its stem produces new branches to develop into a new young plant. A young plant grows in height and produces new leaves but no flowers till it is young. When a plant matures, that is become adult and it starts producing flowers. A plant has roots, stems and needs air right from the beginning of life till the end. Different plants live for different time periods. Arrange the following plants starting from the plant with shortest lifespan. Banyan, rice, rose. Option A 3, 2, 1. Option B 2, 3, 1. Option C 1, 2, 3. Option D 3, 1, 2. The answer is option B 2, 3, 1. A banyan banyan plant can live for hundreds of years. Rose plant can live for few years, while rice plant has only a life for few months. Which of these flowering plant? Option A, moss. Option B, oak tree. Option C, seaweed. Option D, fir tree. The answer is option B, oak tree. Moss produces tiny dust-like particles called spore, but it does not or produce flowers. Oak tree produces blossom flowers in the spring. How can you tell the age of trees? Option A, by measuring trees' height. Option B, by measuring trees' width. Option C, by counting number of leaves of tree has. Option D, by counting rings on the trunk. The answer is option D, by counting rings on the trunk. Each ring counts for 1 year of the tree's life. How does a plant get water from the soil? Option A, through its leaves. Option B, through its flowers. Option C, through its roots. Option D, through its stem. The answer is option C, through its roots. A plant uses roots to draw up water and nutrients from the soil. What is an annual plant? Option A, one that germinates flowers, seeds and dies in a year. Option B, one that loses its leaves in winter. Option C, one that germinates flowers, seeds and dies in 2 years. Option D, one that lives for more than 2 years. The answer is option A, one that germinates flowers, seeds and dies in a year. The word annual means that occur every year. What are leaves for? Option A, to protect flowers from insects and other animals. Option B, to make the plant look pretty. Option C, to protect plants from the rain. Option D, to soak up the sun's energy and convert it into food. The answer is option D, to soak up the sun's energy and convert it into food. What is chocolate made from? Option A, coffee beans. Option B, chicory. Option C, cocoa beans. And option D, drum wheat. The answer is option C, cocoa beans. All chocolates, whether white, milk or dark, are made from cocoa beans. What are male parts of flowers called? Option A, carpels. Option B, stamens. Option C, stigma. Option D, pollen. The answer is option B, stamens. The male parts are stamens which produce pollen. Carpels are female parts of flower which produce ovals which eventually become seed. Which of these plants spread their seeds on water? Option A, pine trees. Option B, dandelions. Option C, water lilies. Option D, rose. The answer is option C, water lilies. Dandelions spread their seed on air. Birds and small animals such as squirrels help spread by pine cones seeds. Rose seeds are spread by birds. What is a deciduous plant? Option A, a plant that bears cones all year round. Option B, a plant that keeps its leaves all year round. Option C, a plant that loses its leaves each year. Option D, a plant that bears fruit. The answer is option C, a plant that loses its leaves each year. A deciduous plant's leaves are shed every fall. Thank you for attending the quiz. Don't forget to write your score in the comment section. See you soon with another quiz.